on YouTube? It's Matty right here. Welcome to the channel. Today we have some special surprise. Received right here the Sony A7 III. Just bought it from eBay. We are going to do some unboxing and the first impression of the Sony A7 III. So without any further ado, let's get to it. First of all, let's open. So right here we have instruction manual as usual, and the charger and the cable as usual, and right here we have the strap, the charger, the adapter, the battery, USB cable, the kit lens itself, the Sony 2870 f3.5 5.6 OSS right here. Decent little kit lens, does the job. The lens hood, and we have here our Sony A7 III. Wow, it is just like the A7R III, except I can notice a few differences already. The button right here, you don't have it on the A7 III, but you have it on the A7R III right here. Yes, definitely. The port right here is expected. There's one port missing. Alright, this is quite nice. It looks almost identical to the A7R III. So let's put the battery in. Let's hope this time the battery is not exhausted. Initial impression, outer casing feels slightly cheaper compared to the A7R III, but it's understandable when you are paying for something cheaper. LCD screen looks almost identical to the A7R II and slightly different to the A7R III. So what we got here, because we bought the kit lens, camera body itself, and this is what we're receiving: instruction manual, the cable for charging, and then the usual stuff. Okay, so here we have side by side the Sony A7R III and Sony A7 III. Straight away you can tell the noticeable difference between the two is the little button right here. You can find on the R3, but it doesn't have one on the A7 III. Thickness wise, they are the same. Everything else seems identical. And then what you have, slight difference, is right here. On the A7 III, it doesn't have the additional slot that you will find on the A7R III. Here it is. That's the A7R III, and that's the A7 III. So the first impression of the Sony A7 III is, I have to say I'm quite impressed with it. The price you're paying so far, you know that you're gonna get a good camera, solid build camera that will last you quite a long time, and most important of them all, will bring you the quality. So I'm looking forward to take this Sony A7 III to do some shoot with it. And in my next few videos, I will be posting a couple comparisons between the A7 III, the R3s, and the Sony A7S II, and see how they perform under low light conditions. So yeah, that's it guys. That's the end of the first impression and unboxing of the Sony A7 III. Comment on the comment section below if you have any questions and what you think about the Sony A7 III. And hit that like button if you like what you see. Subscribe if you haven't yet already. Smash the button, hit the button, whatever you want to do to it is entirely up to you. And I will be making videos more regularly now that I have all these gadgets right in front of me. And I shall see you on the next video.